So this is going to be a test on the troubleshooting that I'm doing to see if it's the battery or the controller or the actual bafang motor. That's the issue. So you see I have the digital multimeter. It shows 0. It's working. I put the battery back in there and I'm going to test the solder that I did on the battery connection. So it's going to be kind of hard to do while I am holding it. However, let's give it a shot. So there's that in there. There's that in there. Okay, so they're both in there, and you can see right there, 41.6. And again, they're in the connector, 41.5. When I take off the battery, I get that same result from the actual battery. So I know that the solder that I'm doing, or that I did, is good, along with the XD connector, the XD60 connector. So, goes back to 0. I am almost positive it has to do with the actual bafang motor. I don't know what else to do now. I don't think it's the battery anymore. Like I said previously in there, that it could have been the battery or the, what's it called? I will show you that the battery, when I take it off, it's good as well. Hold up, sorry. Let me put the phone down. So now, the battery is off. No longer on there. And let's just do the multimeter again, just to see. So let me check again which one's the positive and the negative. All right, looks like the far one is the positive, and this one's the negative. Okay. Come on. There we go. So 41.6, I believe that was the same as when it was on the bike with the solder connection. So yeah, again, it's in the 2, 41.5. All right, so I believe that means it has to either come with this connection. I don't know, it's weird now. I'm pretty sure it's the bafang controller. Like I said in the previous comment, the first video that I did, luckily I'm within the 30-day window to return this bafang motor. So I'm gonna actually tear it all down and return it. And hopefully when I buy it again, it actually works this time. All right, thank you, bye.